All month long, we're featuring cuisines from different Caribbean islands. And today we are starting with the Bahamas. And here to share some of her recipes is Chef Raquel Fox. Chef, thank you so much for being here.
Oh, thank you for having me, Ben.
Okay, so let's start over here, and we're going to look at this first dish. What are we making?
Okay, so from my book, Dining in Paradise, we're making my all-famous Bahama grilled grouper, which you can find on, Nassau Islands or any of the islands of the Bahamas that are fish fry.
Now, I'm noticing we've got parchment paper.
Yes.
And we've got foil.
We got foil.
Are those essential? Do we need to use those?
Essential, especially if you're putting it on the grill.
Okay.
And we know the hazards now of just putting food in aluminum paper. Yeah. So therefore, we definitely want it to be in parchment paper as a protection, okay? So we have some actually striped sea bass here, Ben, because, grouper is a part of the bass family. So these items are readily available. You can even use your favorite fish. If you love a snapper, then go ahead and use a snapper fillet. So basically, all I did was I seasoned it with my Bahama fish seasoning, which is basically some sea salt and some nice Scotch bonnet pepper.
Scotch? Okay, Scotch bonnet.
So very sparingly, And then pretty much we're just going in with the nice bass here.
All right.
I'll go in with
both. So nothing more. Really just salt and whatever kind of pepper you want.
Yes, it's so healthy for us. And then we have beautiful vegetables here.
I'm getting a good smell here,
sizzling.
Too.
Yeah, we got our bell peppers. We have some sweet potato. We have some pearl onions.
You know what? It's the pearl onion that I'm smelling. It's really nice.
Yes. I mean, an amazing flavor. So all we're going to do now, Ben, I'm going to turn this off because I just sauteed these pretty much for about 5 minutes.
Okay.
So it's going on, putting everything on top. All right, the potatoes.
Here, let's just
onion. And listen,
just pour these in there.
Yes, go ahead and put it on there. Wonderful.
There we go.
Now, you're going to get me some tomatoes.
All right.
All right. Let's drop some tomatoes in there.
All right.
Okay. And plantains. Yellow plantains. Yes, going in.
All right.
And lastly, some citrus juice.
We have
citrus juice, orange juice, lime juice, lemon juice mixed together.
You can mix them all of it?
That's perfect right there. Okay. Okay. And then lastly, just a little bit of thyme leaves.
Okay.
We're going to just wrap it all up.
On the grill, and this is what you have.
On the grill, and voila.
I should probably taste this, right?
Please
so the people at home know what we're working with.
Let's go in here.
Right?
You tell me what you think.
All right.
All right. Hold it for you.
Flaky. Firm though.
Taste that citrus.
I love that.
Exactly.
That's a lot of flavor.
Lots of flavor.
So much of it comes from all of these vegetables that you put on there.
Yes, and it's all about balance of flavors, right?
Fantastic.
So notice it wasn't too spicy at all, just a hint. All right. And
here,
oh, I'm so happy. This is our Harbor Island Campari lobster salad cups.
How is this lobster salad different than lobster salad that I would get anywhere at the rest of North America? Because everyone's got their own lobster salad.
Yes. Well, this is all about flavor again and a balance of flavor, right? So we have our lobsters, which are the spiny or rock lobsters. Those are the ones without the claws. And all we do is we put some onion, celery, some mayo, Dijon mustard in here, a little bit of garlic, a little horseradish for that kick, and are you going to sample?
Well, I think we're going to move on to this one first because
Bahamian conch fritters.
This is the most popular appetizer in all the Bahamas.
All of the Bahamas, all right? This is our pride and joy. These are, I call it my book, My Bahamian Conch Fritters. I made a gumbe sauce for it. It's an aioli.
Yes, you got two sauces here.
We have a green cocktail sauce. So going in with our conch fritters. Isn't that amazing? And we know conch is that wonderful mollusk, tastes similar to clams and calamari, and you get those big bites of conch. He's going in again, ladies and gentlemen.
I'm going in again.
Go for it.
Yeah, so by the way, all our cameras, they're all upset because they think I'm not going to eat all of these.
They're ready. They are ready.
We need to wash this down with a cocktail.
Oh, what's better than our yellow bird, okay?
What's a yellow bird?
Yellow bird is that wonderful drink that Harry Belafonte sing about. Yellow bird. And basically, we have some creme de banana in it, some Galliano, some citrus, and
really?
Let's cheers.
All right, let's give this a whirl.
Yes.
Cheers, thank you for coming in. Appreciate this.
Thank you for having me.
Oh, that would be good on a beach.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Are you ready to go to the Bahamas?
I'm already there in my head and in my tummy. Raquel, thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having me.
Cheers to you. Cheers to you. And you can find these recipes on our website, yourmorning.ca.